Today, the digital infrastructure supporting the modern real estate industry is defined by one massive problem: total and complete market fragmentation. Developers and buyers currently navigate entirely separate environments, using one platform for property listings, a different software suite for management, separate banking portals for transactions, and distinct directories for contractor services. Vertically integrating these functions into a single architecture shifts the industry model toward a closed-loop economy, the PropTech super app. The Kemedar platform serves as a technical case study for how this architecture operates in the MENA region. This model relies on three specific pillars: domain-specific AI, decentralized capital structures, and post-purchase service integration. Integrating the entire transaction lifecycle shifts the source of platform value from simple matchmaking to total ecosystem capture. Real estate platforms depend on supply-side liquidity. Without massive developer listings, the ecosystem lacks the necessary utility to attract buyers. Kemedar addresses this by removing the listing bottleneck for developers through an aggressive acquisition strategy. The platform subsidizes developer infrastructure by providing unlimited property listings and generating dedicated project websites with custom domains. It further integrates the supply side by offering a full enterprise resource planning system, or ERP, hosted on the platform cloud, free for the first year. Embedding an ERP directly into the platform allows developers to manage their back-end operations without needing to integrate third-party property management software. Exchanging free enterprise infrastructure for property inventory allows the platform to aggregate supply-side liquidity far faster than traditional listing models. Once the inventory is captured, the platform applies an analytical layer to navigate the high complexity of localized emerging markets. Kemedar utilizes a specialized engine, ThinkDar, trained exclusively on millions of regional MENA real estate data points rather than generic global datasets. This localized training data allows the Predict tool to generate 36-month price trajectories for specific off-plan units with high precision. These trajectories inform the Negotiate tool, which provides sales teams with specific data-driven concession limits for each unit. The AI also provides localized buyer psychology insights, allowing sales teams to tailor their approach to individual negotiations. The Vision tool then automates the presentation layer, scoring the quality of architectural renders and executing virtual staging to accelerate the sales of empty units. Embedding domain-specific AI transforms the platform from a directory into a tool for active revenue optimization. Off-plan development in emerging markets faces two main friction points: the immense upfront capital required by developers and the significant financial risk taken by buyers. The Kemefrac system serves as the technical solution to bypass this traditional illiquidity. Instead of relying on a single large investor, Kemefrac tokenizes specific development units, selling fractional ownership stakes to retail investors. Lowering the financial barrier to entry increases the pool of available buyers, accelerating unit presales and increasing capital velocity for the developer. To protect these retail buyers, the platform integrates Kemedar Escrow, where funds are secured and only released upon the completion of verified construction milestones. Tying retail capital to audited construction milestones reduces the risk profile of off-plan developments, attracting investors who previously avoided these markets. The platform also features Kemedar Bid, a live auction tool that allows developers to maximize revenue on high-demand or final inventory units through competitive bidding. Integrating Web3 tokenization and fintech escrow directly into the platform reduces the developer's reliance on slow-moving external financial institutions. In traditional real estate technology, a platform loses its utility the moment a property transaction closes. The Kemedar architecture is designed to extend its lifecycle far beyond that initial sale. This extension is achieved through Kemework, an integrated service layer that connects new property owners with verified finishing contractors. Kemework is supported by Kemetro, a B2B marketplace that provides those same contractors with the raw materials needed for construction. Providing a verified turnkey finishing solution adds immediate value to off-plan units, which helps accelerate the buyer's initial decision to purchase. By capturing the post-purchase lifecycle, the platform traps secondary real estate spending, from labor to raw materials, within its own digital borders. The final architecture functions as a self-sustaining, closed-loop economy. Trace this loop through one transaction, starting with a fractional token purchase via Kemefrac. The system tracks that user hiring a finishing contractor through Chemiwork. It follows that contractor purchasing materials through Chemetro. Every transaction feeds back into the ThinkDar AI, refining regional predictive accuracy. The integration of automated escrow and physical verification systems like Verify Pro and LifeScore creates a foundation of trust in previously opaque markets. The future of PropTech dominance belongs to closed-loop ecosystems, where every user action continuously trains a centralized, localized intelligence.